Hello and welcome to Knit in the Womb Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And this week we are going to be doing a Picot bind off. So you see here we did our Picot cast on, which there is a video for from a couple weeks ago. And here's something that I have learned over the years. If a sweater pattern, we'll say, has a Picot cast on, you're probably going to need to know how to do a Picot bind off. That way all of your edges will be cohesive throughout the whole pattern. So let's get started on that. Now, this is going to seem counterintuitive at first because, or counterproductive, I should say, because we're going to go backwards and we are going to cast on 2 stitches. Now for this, I like to use a knitted cast on. So that's 1. We're just basically knitting into the stitch, pulling up a loop and putting it on the needle, creating 2 new stitches. So now we're going to knit 4. Okay, bind off 4, I should say. We're going to bind off 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is your first Picot. All right, let's do that again. Now here, I'm going to put this stitch back onto my right hand needle. And we are going to again cast on 2. So there's 1 and 2. Now we are going to bind off 4. So it is 2 steps back and 4 steps forward, but it's worth it. It is more work, but it's worth it because it is a very cute little bind off. Makes such a lovely little edge. Okay, and let's put that stitch back on the needle. Let's take a peek at that. And there is how to do the Picot bind off. It matches your Picot cast on, and that's how it's done. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with somebody that you think it will help out. And happy knitting!